Hey, I just want to say in this video we're going to take my 84 Jeep CJ7. It's got a 350 in it out of a 78 C10, and it's got shorty headers that are inside the frame, no catalytic converters or anything like that. It is true duals out the back, but it's got some Flowmasters, and I think they're HS2s. They sound good. It sounds good, really good at idle, but it's got a pretty loud drone. And so I wanted to try some Borlas. So I got some Borla Pro XS mufflers that we're going to try to put on. Hopefully it'll get some of that drone out and still sound pretty good. But it looks like in looking at the exhaust, everything's going to have to be cut out. The other guy that did it basically welded everything in, so I'm going to have to go through and cut the pipe off the other mufflers and try to salvage those so I can maybe sell them or something like that. But yeah, so I'm going to probably put you on a tripod. It's going to be hard to get up under the Jeep and show everything, but cut those off and put these nice Borlas on, and hopefully these are going to sound a whole lot better than what I have today, and that drone will go away. All right, just to get up under the Jeep and sort of show you what I'm working with. So these are the dual exhausts that I'm going to pull out. And again, I believe these are HS2s from Flowmaster. They're definitely Flowmasters. I'm just not 100% sure on the model. And Flowmaster wasn't very helpful in identifying them either. But so there's two of them. Obviously, there's duals going all the way out the back, and then in the front, it comes out of my header and goes up over the skid plate. So the plan is basically I'm going to cut them off at each one of the welds on both sides, and the new ones are a good bit longer and larger than these. So that'll be good. I don't have to actually get any new pipe. I just have to cut it off and then try to get it clamped in, and then obviously do that for both sides. But anyway, I'm gonna put you on a tripod. I'll probably just do like a time lapse of me cutting it off. Nobody really cares to see all that, but I'll come back and we'll see how it goes. If y'all are wondering, all I was using was basically a Milwaukee Sawzall. It's just the normal M18, and then it actually is a Milwaukee blade. That's an 8-inch blade, and I think it's the 29 tooth per inch. It's just a metal cutting blade. It was brand new, but pretty much went right through it like butter, so can't complain too much there. It's a great saw. All right, so these are the ones I pulled off. I was hoping that I could see what model they are on top, but I can't. They don't have any kind of markings, and it does show Flowmaster, but it doesn't show anything else. But if you can see if I can get you to see on the inside, it's more of a cone kind of shot. So it's not a straight through. It looks like it's got some, not really baffles, but it comes to a point. It doesn't actually go through. If you do light on this side, you can barely see light going through on the other side of that. Anyway, so that's the difference. I'm hoping I'll get a little bit more dampening out of it than the smaller ones. But yeah, we'll see. And clean them up and see if somebody else wants to buy them. Anyway. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. I didn't want to go into details of showing you how to hang exhaust exactly. Just did a quick time lapse of me cutting it off, grinding it down a little bit so I could get the exhaust to go over top of it, and then use the clamps, and I can post some descriptions of those in the video. But the clamps and everything seemed to work good. The hangers were working really good as far as the all thread that's sort of bent. But it wasn't too bad. Just cut it out and put new exhaust in. So I highly recommend those Borla mufflers. definitely on the quieter side, but exactly what I was wanting to do. Anyway, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe.